So creating this welding skid that I made was a ideal I had to keep me from having downtime. We all know that a vehicle is an asset only until it start having issues and you got to get things fixed. And if you only got one good work truck or two good work trucks and both of them go out, you'd be like, oh man, I'm screwed. I can't get this equipment to this job site. So I wanted to build a skid that I could actually have everything on, so if something happened, I can go to Enterprise and go rent a truck. I could go somewhere else and rent a truck. I can go buy a truck real quick or take it off and be able to get it still took to where I need to work and still be getting money even though the vehicle is down. So that was my goal of building it, you know what I mean? Because at first, you know, I was like, oh, I don't need one of them. And the more I thought about it, and it made more sense to say, man, you need that. That's a big asset because I can be able to lift it up with a crane if need be and put it on top of a building or drop it inside of a staircase. Or I can be able to pick it up with a forklift and be able to put it on certain jobs. So, I mean, it's a very big asset. So you have to look at it like that, man, when you are working on your ideas. Think about how it can benefit your business, benefit your downtime, benefit your growth. Help things be a lot smoother, easier, quicker cleanup. You know, all of that stuff is good. So I was just trying to think outside the box, man, and come up with something that could actually benefit not only me, but someone else with an independent business or someone else with a company who need things to be designed and put on a certain way where they can have everything they need. So if anything happen, they can always get money. Hold on.